Cindy, how do I do this first warm-up? Just tell me what to do.
Get the extra one.
Not the second one, the first.
Add it.
Make it 2 plus, yeah. Then 2 squared, good, and 5 squared, and do what with those? Yeah, you add them, that's what I was at. Right, 4 plus 25 is? Good, that's correct. Okay, the conjugate is the same 2 terms, just change the sign between them. And then when you FOIL them, the outside and inside ones, the positive 10i and the negative 10i, will cancel. All right? And when we go negative 5i times positive 5i, you get negative 25i squared. But what we learn about that I squared? It's like negative 25 times negative 1, right? So we cross it out and make it positive 25. So the shortcut for these is just squaring the first term, squaring the second term, not the I part, but the 2 and the 5 and adding. It's always addition. Okay? The way Cindy told us was the shortcut way. All right, Caleb Berkey, what do I do first for this equation that I have to solve?
We'll need that 4 together sign.
Got to get the x squared alone. Good.
And then the squared would be fall under the 7, so it'd be I rather than 11.
Right. Don't forget your plus or minus symbol when you do this step. Right? So the negative, we pull out the I. 7 doesn't break down into any factors that we can pull out, any perfect square factors. So that's the type of problems we worked on Friday, as well as the ones from Thursday we did. So, looking at our homework, any questions on number 3 or number 7, simplifying the radicals? How about 19? That was just combining like terms. That was a subtraction problem. How about 31 and 44 and 46 is all multiplication of complex numbers. 44 and 46 were like the warm-up using the conjugate. Any questions on those? Yes, Cindy. Well, did you see I broke it down into 16 and 2? Yeah, it's not. Well, you get a little bit, but yeah, you won't get full credit. And then 56 to 68 was like the second warm-up where we were solving the equation. So getting the x squared by itself, and then square rooting both sides, simplifying the square roots. Any of those? You guys okay with the fraction one, the last one? So remember to move the negative 1/5 over. You can divide by negative 1/5, but I always like to multiply by the reciprocal, which would be negative 5 over 1. No questions? We good on those? Not too bad, was it? Okay, then. That's, figured it would be quick. You have the rest of the period to work on your practice quiz. We'll go over the practice quiz tomorrow, and then our quiz will be Wednesday. All right? Any questions?